Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss B plus tree insertion and deletion operations. Before moving to its operations, we should know its rules first. So if you are considering M order B plus tree, then it must have less than or equal to M key values, that is elements in a node. Okay, next coming to its children, it can have M, that is why it is M ordered B plus tree. So if we are having 5 children, then it is 5 ordered B plus tree. Then it must have M minus 1 values into it. Maximum is M minus 1 values into it. So suppose if you are having 5, let us consider the scenario here. So that is degree of B plus tree is 5. Okay, next. Allowed search key values is less than or equal to 4, that is maximum. But what is the minimum? It is by 2, that is 2. Okay, minimum values it can have is 2. See here, you can have like this here. Okay, next. So let us consider the existing B plus tree as like this. So this is nothing but 13, 17, 13, 17, 24, 30. So these are 4 values. So this root is having maximum key values into it, and see its children, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is reaching its maximum children. Then from now whatever we are inserting, there are considerations. Those are 3 considerations. First one is, whenever we are inserting an element into a node which is having less than 4, then there is no problem to it. We can directly insert into it by checking left subtree as lesser than the root value and right subtree as a greater than the root value. Next, second scenario is, whenever our leaf node is exceeding the maximum value, that is 4, then we should select the mid value from that node and we should push that mid value to the root. Okay, push that mid value to the root. And at last one is, if the root itself is exceeding the maximum key values, then it must be again shifted into the upper root again. Then the existing root will be left and right children to the new node. Okay. Okay, let us now consider a B plus tree having the existing tree as shown here. So this is the existing B plus tree we have. Okay, now let us try to insert 23 into the B plus tree. So while inserting 23, check it where it is actually. So it is between 17 and 24, right? So coming to 17 and 24, it should be the third child, right? Third child that is inserted into 19, 20, 22. So there is no problem. See here, insertion of 23 into B plus tree does not affect the tree. Thus 23 is inserted at third child at last. So 19, 20, 22, 23. So directly we have to check again either it is exceeding the limits of B plus tree or not. Okay, so 17 is lesser than 23, so it is to the left side, and 24. So that is why we are inserting in between 17 and 24 as shown. Now let us try to insert 8 into the tree. So see here, while we are going to insert 8 into the tree. So here it is. So 8 is lesser than 13. You can see here 8 is lesser than 13. Here, lesser than 13. So that must be left child to the 13. So see here, left child of 13 is having 4 values already. That is, maximum limit has been reached. Now where we have to insert it? We have to insert it by setting the rules. According to the rules we have to insert it. See here, insertion of 8 must be to the left of 13, that is 8 is lesser than 13. Thus inserted at left child of 13, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. But this is violating the rule, right? But this is violating the rule, that is the maximum key values must be lesser than or equal to 4. So what we have to do? Thus push the key value 5 to the root. So we are pushing this key value to the root. Now again the root is having maximum elements, right? See here, 13, 17, 24, 30. So already it has been reached to its extent, that is 4. Now if we are and also there is one point when we are like pushing an element. So what we have to push over there? The mid element in the node. So here 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Among these elements 5 is the mid element. So thus we are pushing 5 to the root. Done. And 2, 3 will be the left child of your 5, and 7, 8 will be the right child of 5. Now again see here, root is having 5 elements. So we should not have 5 elements, that is maximum lesser than or equal to 4. Again push 17 to the root. Push 17 to the root. Okay. So the left child of 17 is 5, 13, and the right child of 17 is 24, 30. Okay. So see here, all the lesser elements than 17 will be to the left of 17. Okay. See here, 5, 13, 2, 3, 7, 8, 14, 16. All are lesser elements than 17. And whatever the elements we have greater than 17 must be to the right side. Okay. And there is one must be a doubt that 17 is having like the root of the root value is having only one element, that is 17, but minimum elements it must have is 2, right? But to the root we can violate the root like a rule that it may be having one or more elements but not exceeding the element count. Now deletion. So insertion is completed successfully. Now let us go to deletion. So while deleting an element, while deletion operation, we have to consider two major rules. That is, when we are trying to delete an element from a node, that node must have minimum 2 keys, right? And whenever we are deleting an element from a node, it should not be like the existing elements should not be lesser than or equal to 1. So that is nothing but n by 2. It must have n by 2. If the case is not that, then we have to borrow the elements from either left subtree or from the right subtree. Okay, let us try to delete 19 from the existing. This is the existing tree now. So let us try to delete element from this tree, B plus tree. So see here, in deletions always connect with leaf nodes. So always we have to delete from the leaf nodes itself. Okay, deleting 19 from B plus tree does not affect the tree. Thus delete 19 directly and check the node has minimum keys or not, that is 2 keys. So that is 20 and 22. So see here, if we are about to delete this 19, the minimum elements will be 2, 20 and 22. So the tree won't be affected much. So thus the resultant tree from the above is, see here, everything is already perfect from left subtree, from right subtree only. See here, this is from here we have deleted 19. Now let us try to delete 20 from the existing tree. See, where is 20? The 20 is here, right? So when we delete 20 from here, this node will become with a single value, but it is violating a rule, that is 2 or 3 or 4. It must have 2 or 3 or 4. Deleting 20 from the tree will violate the rule of minimum keys as 2 or lesser than or equal to 4. So if we delete 20, the node will have only one key, that is 22. Thus apply borrow from left or right sibling. See from the above. So what is the left sibling? It is having 14, 16. Okay, right sibling is 24, 27, 29. If we are trying to take one element from left sibling, that is 14, 16, again this node will become violating rule node, right? So it will be like if we are taking 16 from here, then 14 will be only single element. Thus we are planning to take from right sibling. So see from here. So see, left sibling is having 14, 16, has only 2 keys, so we are not able to touch this. C into right sibling, it is 24, 27, 29, which is having 3 keys, so we can borrow from this right sibling, right? So let us from this case also we have to check. We have to take the minimum value from right subtree and the maximum value from left subtree. If we are applying borrow from this, then we have to take left sibling. Whenever we are taking from left sibling, we have to take the largest element. Whenever we are taking from right sibling, we have to take the lowest element. So among this, the lowest element is 24. So try to shift 24 to this value. Okay, so see here, you can see here 22, 24 and 27. So to reach the rule of left subtree must be lesser than the root and right subtree must be greater than or equal to the root. So we are placing 27 equal, which is equal value here. So this is how deletion operation is done in B plus tree. So we have to think over the rules of B plus tree first. So minimum values a node must be noted, and the maximum values a node should be noted. Then only we have to start operating insertion or deletion among these B plus tree nodes. Okay, thank you.